Astoria right now, you can see the rain coming into the coast at the moment, and there will be more showers overnight tonight. It's 43 degrees, and again, though, that RR, that means the pressure is rising rapidly, which happens oftentimes after the passage of a cold front, and that's a good sign. We want that pressure to go up. That'll be a sign of calmer, more stable, settled weather, which I think everybody's kind of ready for. Again, these rain totals are so impressive. I want to show you again. Now, I know you don't know where most of these spots are because they're up in the Cascade foothills or in the Coast Range foothills, the Wilpaw Hills. But Rochester, that's very close to Chehalis, over 5 inches of rain. In June Lake, anybody who backcountry skis or maybe snowmobiles, you know where that is on the south side of Mount St. Helens. 17.7 inches of rain since Tuesday. How about that? Yeah, no surprise we're getting flooding. And here is the river gauge and the forecast for the Chehalis River near Ground Mond, which is just downstream from Chehalis. We'll come back to this and I'll show you what's happening with this and what that line means. Where it's blue, that's what we've seen so far. When you get into that purple area here, that is basically a significant flood stage area. And look, it stays above moderate flood stage all the way into Sunday. So it's going to be high water for a while. It will recede. It should peak later tonight, but it's going to take a while for all of that water to work its way downstream and out to the ocean. Now on Doppler radar, not much happening in the valleys right now, but if I zoom out a bit, see there's a pretty good batch of rain right off Astoria. We saw that, the Astoria Skycam. So that's going to be pushing into the Portland area overnight tonight. So it will get wet, and it's going to be a lot colder, of course, than it was yesterday. The rainfall totals respectable, not outrageous since midnight. About a ½ inch in Portland, about 3/4 of an inch in Olympia, and Kelso only 1/1800 of an inch. So good that the rain totals are coming down. But you know what else is coming down? The temperatures and snowfall. Up in the Cascades, it's in the 20s again. The roads are becoming snow covered again. So after that meltdown that we had with the warm weather, those days are over. We go back to snow in the Cascades. But just for tonight, tomorrow morning, after that, things are going to settle down and be largely dry. I'll show you in the 7-day forecast in just a second. 45 degrees right now in Portland, and the freezing level 6,100 feet, but it'll be lower when we get the new report in just a little bit. So we're looking at, for Portland, let's get to that Portland forecast for you in just a second here. It's just taking the computer a minute, but we'll get to that in the 7-day forecast for you. Here we go. We're looking at showers through tomorrow morning, then partly sunny and a high of 47. Maybe a sprinkle on Monday and Wednesday. Otherwise, the week ahead will be dry. We'll be back.